Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first method is you have to open your phone, open keyboard on it and enter the secret code, which is *06#, and here you can see IMEI information. In the second method, go to settings, then to the system, about phone, and here you have IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also build number. No. And in the model and hardware you have the serial number here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.